Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dina Colasso for those who are new. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. For today's look, I created my go-to easy glam no foundation routine. It's my go-to glam look with using no foundation products at all, and it's just my quick easy glam look that I like to use for my Instagram, for photos, when I just need to slap on a glam quick and be out the door. I do this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hi everyone, so we're gonna jump right into the video. I already applied my skincare. If you guys would like to see my skincare routine, then let me know down below. Now we're gonna jump right into primer. I'm gonna get my hair out of the way just because curly hair is a distraction, let me tell you. Like, it is all up in my face. I'm gonna be going in with my Tatcha Silk canvas. Excuse my nails because they are looking busted. I picked these off because they literally like bent in half, and you know it's like pulling on your nail, so I popped those off and now I'm left with this. And yeah, I need my nails done. Like, this quarantine, I cannot wait for it to be over. I hope everyone is being safe and practicing social distancing, but I am like over it. I have not applied my makeup in like about a week or so since my birthday, just because I'm not even going anywhere and I haven't even had the motivation to really do my makeup. But I'm going to get so consistent on YouTube. I can't wait for you guys to see. Okay. So I'm just applying this. And what I really like about this primer is it helps with redness, and it kind of just creates a pure canvas before your makeup, and it just smooths out any texture in your skin. I do not use foundation for this look. It really saves me a lot of time, and it just feels like lighter on my skin. Like, I actually really love this technique. So the concealer that I'm going to be using to spot conceal and kind of use as like wherever I need it is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. The color that I'm using is warm beige, and then I like to apply the shade underneath the eyes, like so. And you right here, my chin. Any like spots I have going on at the moment, I just do a little bit right there. A big thing is I like to put it on the middle, because that just kind of, that's the area you kind of want perfected, is like the center of the face. The first thing that people look at, so. And I barely used any concealer. Oh my goodness. I really forgot to wet my beauty blender. Really? Okay, this doesn't really matter because I kind of like, I allow this to sit on the skin for like a minute or so. I'm gonna go wash my beauty blender and then I'll be right back. So I'm back with my clean beauty blender, and I'm just gonna start blending it out. Okay, what I like to do is once I start kind of blending it out, I go in with my Morphe M173 brush, and it's like a rounded, and I start kind of blending that concealer upward. I do not apply concealer on my lid for this type of look, just because I feel like it's kind of already gives that look that I have like eyeshadow on, because my eyelids have pigmentation and they're darker, so for me it kind of works. You can add concealer on your eyelids. I typically do when I'm going for like a super glam look. I always add it on my eyelids, but for these quick looks when I'm going to school and I need to slap my makeup on, I don't. So that's why I'm not for this video. And I kind of just layer up. If I see I need more coverage or whatnot, I start to layer. And don't be alarmed, I know the concealer on camera, it's definitely picking up like super light, but we are going to cream contour. I'm not adding any concealer on the sides or anything like that. It's mainly like the center of my face, and then the contour will go in the perimeter. And I will just go one more time in with the Morphe brush. And I'm going in with cream contour. I'm going in again with my another Too Faced Born This Way. This one's in chestnut. You don't have to use this concealer that I'm using. You can use any cream contour, even a stick. I have sticks as well. I just go for this just because I feel like it meshes all together, and I really like the formula of this. So for this, I go all around my forehead, cheekbones, of course jaw, I like to take it up and back like that. When I'm in a rush, I just stick with the Beauty Blender because it's the quickest way, and I'm already using this for everything. I could just, it's already in my hand. So I usually just grab a Beauty Blender, or sometimes I do use my Morphe M536 brush, and I'll use it to blend out my contour. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out the cream contour with my Beauty Blender. And I'm just using the butt of the Beauty Blender to do so. As you can see, I'm just pouncing it. We will blend out these harsh lines afterwards. So I like to blend out the contour first, and then the lines, the harsh lines and stuff will be after. And make sure it goes into the hairline. So the nose I let sit, and then I blend out that like afterwards. I'm gonna take that side that I used for the concealer and go on top of the contour. And then I'm gonna be using the Morphe M6 brush, this little paddle brush. And just go back in with my Beauty Blender and blend it out. Next, what I do is I brighten up my complexion, and again, I'm using another Too Faced cream contour concealer. I'm just using this, and it's really hydrating, and I feel like it looks really natural. So this shade is light beige, and for this, I'm just highlighting the center of my face like that. I don't really add more on my chin or forehead. If I do, I'll kind of use the extra on the blender. I'll just like blend it all together, but I don't really want too much brightness going on my chin here because I don't know, typically I do that when I have like foundation and stuff on. I don't know why for this look I don't do it, and it already looks bright enough on my chin. And then I bring this upwards to the side of the nose like that. To set this all in place, I'm going to be using my Lauramercier translucent powder. I just like really using the Lauramercier powder because it just keeps the brightness going and my eyes don't get darker. And I go straight into set because I don't want creases. And I start by first setting the powder and just setting it. And then I start going in a little bit more to bake, but I don't add as much as I do when I'm like heavy baking. It's more as like a light layer, and then I just press it in. If it's a really hot day that day, sometimes I'll leave like excess. Whatever's left, I go on top of my eyelids just to take away and shine and just mattify them. And I go in with the powder on the rest of my face. And I like to put powder on my neck because even though I didn't apply makeup there, I like to apply the powder there just so everything ties together and it's like mattifying. So for brows, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my brows super natural and lightly. And I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then I will be back in just a moment. I am back from doing my brows. I kind of go for that like fluffy soap brows look, but I don't use soap. I just use my Brow Wiz, and then I use the Anastasiabeverlyhills Clear Brow Gel, which I feel like is really good for that, for those like fluffy brows. This is when I go ahead and bronze up my my face after I do my brows, and I'm going in with the Anastasiabeverlyhills bronzer. This is in the shade Saddle. I really like this bronzer shade because it matches the chestnut really nicely. Okay, to bronze up my nose, I'm going in with the Morphe M0 brush. I'm gonna go in with my powder brush, touch dust. Make sure it's blended out. Now I'm going to be doing liner with my Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And I just feel like these are really quick and easy to do when you're in a rush. I'm just gonna be doing a wing liner. So my liner is done. Now I'm going to be going in with lashes and mascara. The lashes I'm going to be using are Your Lashes, and it's Yourlashesofficial on Instagram, and you can use my code DINA15 for 15% off. I love these lashes. These are in the shade Nasira, and they're super natural and wispy, and I really like these lashes. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution, the Mascara Revolution mascara. And this is a drugstore mascara. And I like to add my mascara before my lashes. These are already cut and stuff, so I don't have to do that. Just going to use some duo glue, and I'm going to apply that. I'm going to let that dry. For blush, I'm going to be mixing two blushes. I'm going to be using Kyliecosmetics. These are in the shade Baddie on the Block and Rosy. One is a darker pink, and then one is like a natural pink. So I like to mix these two just because I watched Kylie's tutorial when she did Kim, and she used Rosy on her. And at first I was skeptical about these blushes because the Ulta testers are just not good and not pigmented, so I was really scared. But when I saw her use it on Kim, that's why I was like, okay, if they show up on her, they should show up on me. That's just my light layer, and then I go in with Rosy on top. Okay, I'm now applying my lashes. And just look at the difference. I love these lashes. They're so pretty and natural. I'm gonna apply some bronzer on the eyelid, the Huda bronzer from Benefit. I'm gonna use the Too Faced lip injection. This is just gonna help plump my lips. I should have used this like while I was doing my makeup, but I just found it. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Sweet Tea liner. And for lips, I'm gonna be going in with my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Girlfriend. Sometimes I do leave this look with just a matte lip, but today I'm going to be adding a gloss. I'm going to be adding in the Kyliecosmetics Gloss in Diva, which is a pink gloss. So for setting spray, I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I like how this one is continuous. So for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Anastasiabeverlyhills highlighter kit. I'm going with Glow Getter. That's so pretty. And they just relaunched this palette again. I hope they relaunch the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I'm going to go in with that Glow Getter shade in here. I really like adding it here. It just brightens the eye. Here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.